guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be filling some glosses, kinda I guess prepping for my Black Friday weekend Cyber Monday sale, and I'm going to be talking a little bit about it. I'm so last minute, but you know, whatever. I'm going to have some squeeze suits on the site, and they're going to be $3.33. I have a bunch of gloss that I made up that I had like for my bundles. So I'm gonna fill some squeeze tubes with those glosses, and those will be $3.33. Any bundles that I have left will be 20% off, and those are the bundles that are in the wand tubes. So these ones will be separate, but the wand tubes will still be in a bundle, but they'll be 20% off. Squeeze tube wholesale will be 20% off. Jars will be half off. And then these wand tubes will be $5.55, $5.55. Lip scrub retail will be $3.33, and lip scrub wholesale will be 20% off. So if you are needing to stock up on any of those, they will be available for a discounted price. And basically it'll be like that all weekend. So yeah, I'm just gonna be filling some tubes, and then I'm gonna send out an email to the people that are subscribed to my site just so that they'll know. Yeah, that's basically all that I'm gonna be doing. I hope that you all enjoy this quick little video. I wanted to have something going up because I won't be posting again until next week on, I think, Thursday, whatever day December 1st is. I think I'm gonna attempt to fully do Vlogmas this year. So I'm just gonna wait until then to post again, just so that I can get everything like ready. So yeah, this is one of the glosses. And there are swatches of these glosses on the site, but I am going to make the squeeze tubes. I'm gonna make the squeeze tubes its own product. But yeah, now is definitely the time to rack up on these glosses because they are going for the low, okay? And it's only a few of each. I might be able to get one more of this gloss, and then that's it. I might be able to get two more actually. If you're interested, make sure you're on the site at 12 a.m. tonight Easter time. And go ahead and get you some. But yeah, happy holidays if you celebrate Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. I don't really celebrate it anymore, but I am gonna go down and spend some time with my family, eat some food, but I wouldn't say like I really celebrate. But if you do, happy Thanksgiving to you, and I hope you enjoy your day and eat some good food. I really want some turkey wings, bro. I want some turkey wings and macaroni. I'm gonna have to make me some because I want some turkey wings so bad, bro. I love turkey wings. I'm gonna try to get one more. So there'll be 5 of this gloss in the squeeze tubes. And then I think I have two more bundles. So if you want the wand tube, then it is definitely available. But I only have 2 more bundles of that. So yeah. This is one of my favorite glosses. It is so pretty. Now this one I have a lot of. This is a marble gloss. And this is how the gloss looks. Each tube is different, like very unique. So this one is the one that I have the most of. And then we have my absolute favorite. This is so pretty on. Extremely glittery. It's so pretty. And we have this tinted gloss. And then we have another glitter gloss. I noticed that these are some of my popular glosses. So I'm just gonna fill a couple with y'all. Like 2 of each. This is It Girl. So pretty. So freaking pretty. This one is Rich. This is Top Notch. This is HBIC. This is Bossy. I think I filled it up too much now. I couldn't see. This is Millionaire. This is High Class. And this one is Wealthy. All right, so got some wine tubes filled, and we have a bunch already ready to go in here. The sale begins at 12 a.m. Eastern time tonight, November 25th, and it is going to be all weekend long. So I'm gonna say it's gonna be until Monday at 11:59. Then everything will go back to its regular price. So if you are interested in anything, make sure you shop at that time and get you some goodies. Like, look at all these beautiful colors. And this is not all that I offer. Like, I have so many different glosses, glitters, pigmented, like so much to choose from. So make sure you grab your products. Lip scrubs as well to keep those lips nice and smooth. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put the tops on these. I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and I hope that you all decide to shop with moi this weekend. And yeah, happy Thanksgiving if you celebrate. And I will see you all next week on December 1st for day 1 of Vlogmas.